thank you once again for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear. This is our Gloucester Gearbox. National Gear are experts with Gloucesters. We have a large inventory of bearings and seals in stock for emergency rush repair, and we do have some limited gearing from Gloucester. However, if your box is sent in that needs some gearing to be manufactured that we don't have in stock, we actually can manufacture it here in-house at National Gear with our G&Ear gear hopper. We manufacture all types of gears like spiral bevel, helical, herringbone, and so forth. This gearbox here was rebuilt with new bearings, new seals, and a new high-speed input gear set, helical gear set. All gears was relapped. We line board the housing, and we're now doing our testing. So far, this box has been online for about an hour. We will continue to monitor, to check for any temperatures, any oil leaks, any vibration, any abnormalities. All work at National Gear Repair is warranted for 24 years upon installation. So if I happen to do a gearbox for you, your warranty starts when you actually put it in production. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this here's one of our new locations at National Gear Repair. Our mechanics are factory trained. And the one good, unique thing about National Gear is all work that we perform, we do free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.